Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. Today is the concert. I have been waiting for this day for so freaking long. I bought these tickets in like November, and the day is finally here. And it's so crazy because in November it seemed like it was so far, but y'all, we going to see my girl today. I'm so freaking excited. I've been in love with Mariah since she came out. Like, that is my girl. I am on the way to my lash appointment. It starts at 9. I really need to get myself together. School has been just so busy, just so hectic, just taking up all my time, energy, and space along with work. I have not had the time to really go and do my maintenance for real. So that's what we about to do today, because I'm not going to see Mariah looking a mess. Okay, I need my lashes done, I need my nails done. The weather right now, disgusting. It says it's gonna stop raining at 10, so probably by the time I get out of my lash appointment it will be done raining and we can just have a nice day. Because Bookie, I got pictures to take because my outfit, y'all, my outfit is so freaking cute. I really hope it comes together how I want it to, but I just feel like it really is. I'm on the way to my lash appointment in this disgusting weather, so I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there.
Soho's Vision has the cutest eyewear for the summertime. Whether you're looking for a cute pair of shades or new reading glasses, they will not disappoint. The blue light blocking feature is my personal favorite and is perfect for those who are constantly in front of the computer screen. Not only are they super fashionable, but they are 100% budget friendly with quality you can both see and feel. Thank you Soho's Vision for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into the vlog.
Y'all, the lashes are eating so bad, like oh my gosh, I haven't had my lashes done. Where my keys at? Oh y'all, oh no, I think I left my keys in there. I heard something fall on the floor, but I didn't think it was my keys. Dang, I gotta go back. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm gonna go to the nail salon that's by my house just so I can be close to my house, so when I'm done I can just go home. I don't have to be in traffic and have this long old drive. I left everything. I had my umbrella, my keys, everything just left. I was sleeping. I cannot explain to y'all the type of sleep I was freaking having. Y'all, well, I had a dream, right? I had a dream that my lashes was finished. I had a dream that I finished my lashes. I got up to look at them and I went to the bathroom and they was literally like coming out. I don't know why I was dreaming that, but child, this lighting is bad, but I slim, fit, common skin, 5, 5 to a 10, hair done, bills paid, catch me sliding in the bin. Okay, we finna go to the nail salon. I'm so freaking hyped. Where my phone at? Did I leave that too? No, because I had to call her. I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the nail salon.
Educated, and the clients pay the payment. She don't need a diamond ring. My bitch look like time is told. Hit the strip like every week. Touch me, burn her half a note. Use that light that got no limits. My beats never be pimped out.
I don't know if y'all been seeing this like all over TikTok, but everybody been talking about Chick-fil-A and how they changed their chicken, whoop-de-whoop, and I agree. I'm not gonna lie, I agree. I stopped there on the way home because I want to try their little berry cherry, I think it's cherry lemonade, cherry berry or cherry something. And then I just got the chicken tenders, because I want to see if the chicken tenders changed too. I know the chicken sandwich definitely changed, because I had a chicken sandwich like earlier this week. It did not taste like the Chick-fil-A I have grew up on, okay? So I just want to taste this right quick. It's 2 o'clock. I'm gonna eat this right quick, and I'm gonna study till about 4. I think I'm starting getting myself together at around 4. I have a collab that I have to record for this video, and I want to record a good dress with me. Let me try this chicken right quick so I can eat and start my little day. Oh, it look a little different. Does it look different? Does it look different to y'all? I can't tell. It's supposed to be 4. Okay, yeah, it's 4. I don't know. I want to say it looked different, but I could be tripping. Like, it could be a little placebo effect. But no, that chicken sandwich, that was not a placebo effect. That chicken sandwich was not it. It was thin. The meat was a little like, Let's try it out. I'm gonna like it regardless because I'm starving. I can't tell. It's okay. Maybe the chicken tenders are the same. I don't know. But let's try lemonade so I can get my life together because I need to study real bad. My last final is on Monday. And yeah, I'm studying tomorrow too. But I really want to get a bulk of it done today so tomorrow's not so hectic. That's good. Oh, that's real good. All right, y'all. I'm about to enjoy my lunch. It's probably gonna be my last meal of the day, at least before the concert, because baby, I'm not trying to look bloated and big in my outfit. My outfit is so freaking cute. Like, I can't wait to show y'all. Well, y'all probably already seen it on the thumbnail, but you know what I'm saying. I'll talk to y'all when I'm starting to get ready. All right, y'all, it's about that time. So it is 5:28. My goal is to be ready by 7, which I think I can. I usually take an hour to do my makeup, but I'm gonna really try my best to not take an hour without rushing, because I still have to record my get ready with me, and y'all know that makes you get ready longer. So, but I just got out the shower, so I feel like I'm really doing good on time. As long as I can finish my makeup by like just a little bit after 6, I'm just gonna get right into it, y'all. This is no formal makeup tutorial. I am not a makeup guru. I literally be freestyling based off what I see on TikTok. All right, we're finna get this show on the road. Let me go ahead and play her set list because I need to make sure I know all these songs. Get it back, baby. Baby. I need to do my side edges. But if I guess I should show y'all. Lord knows I try to swallow down, and they like us. I won't come to your ends, but when it comes to trust up my minutes to tell you that. Said I'd end up broken hands, reminds me. I know I got concealer everywhere, like, ugh. You're like a best, but I connected the signs never. Now it is glittering. The beat is freaking beating. Okay. It seems so strange that I love him. Drive you crazy. Already made a commitment. I'm ecstasy. Gave you what was left in my mind. Every time. Okay. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done. Okay, guys, I am ready. Here's the final fit. This is so cute. I only got one glove on, but it was too hard to like touch my phone and stuff with both gloves on, so I'm just keeping one glove on for now until I'm ready to take pictures. I is finishing up getting ready now, so when she's done getting ready, I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna take these heels off for right now and probably just put some slides on until I take pictures, because baby, this is not it. I just been standing around in these heels like a doggone fool, and I need to bring this light with me because it's starting to get dark. Well, it's not really dark yet, but I think the way I want my pictures to look, I want the light to be on me, even though it's like kind of bright outside. But I just want to show y'all the fit. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all when we take pictures. Get off the exit. These people outside for Cinco de Mayo.